Ready to get leads every day, even while you sleep? In this video, I will show you how to build a lead generation funnel, which will help you to grow your email list on autopilot. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video about funnel building advice. I have been building profitable sales funnels in Kartra for me and my clients since 2018. I helped hundreds of people to use Kartra to the fullest. And now I want to do the same for you. Let's do this. Every time you're going to build a funnel, what I recommend, well, this is what I recommend to my clients, is that you should start with a strategy first. Like having a graphical idea of what is going to happen, the funnel map will help you decide what to do, in which order, and all those kind of things before you start building anything. So for a regular lead generation funnel, what you will have is you need to send traffic to an opt-in page. So you have different traffic sources. It could be paid, it could be organic or free, but everybody is going to go to your main opt-in or landing page. It's also called the squeeze page. It has different names, but it's the same thing. You want people to get here and they will claim whatever you are giving away for free. Could be a PDF, like an ebook or a checklist or whatever the case may be. Once they register, once they say they want your freebie, you want to show a confirmation or thank you page, basically telling them or confirming that they requested. What I recommend is that in here you said go check your email so that you will get your link to download whatever you're offering on an email. So I strongly recommend that you do this over email, because that way you will start creating the relationship between your email system and their email system. So in Kartra, you do this everything inside the same place. So it's all together. You don't need to worry about any integrations or things like that. And the other reason is because once they start getting your emails and opening your emails and reading your emails and clicking in your emails, any email that you send in the future has better chances to go into the inbox directly instead of going to spam or something else. So those are the main assets that you're going to need: a opt-in page, a confirmation page, and a delivery email. Okay. Do you think this strategy will work for you? Let me know in the comments. Okay, first you want to create your thank you page or your confirmation page. The reason why you want to do that in Kartra is because when you are configuring your opt-in form, you need to tell the opt-in form what the thank you page is. So the easiest way is just to go to My Pages in Kartra, create a new page, and we can use just one of the templates. Let's say I like this one. I can preview it. Yeah, that's good enough. Then say select, then launch builder. I need a name. So let's say thank you, freebie, for instance. I don't need a category for now. I don't need a site for now. So that's okay. Let's do create. And all you need to do is change all this information for whatever you want. Your logo, your thank you for whatever. This is very nice because it's already here. Check your inbox, open your email, click the confirmation link. You can even add something else, like add us to your whitelist or add us as important or whatever you want to add. So this is very easy. Then you just need to go here, publish live, and you have a page. So when you click here where it says get the page link, this is what people are going to see. So this is a live page. Right away, you have a thank you page done and ready for you. Okay, the next step is to create a form. So you need to go here at the left where it says My Forms. Then click here the plus form icon. So name it. So let's say freebie opt-in form, for instance. Then you hit create. It will ask you what you want to use. So basically, first name and email address is more than enough. Then you click save and next. You need to choose if you want to work with single opt-in or double opt-in. The main difference is that in single opt-in, people will get or will be part of your email list as soon as they subscribe. In double opt-in, they need to confirm their email address before they become part of your list. So I'm going to say single opt-in for now. Once you do that, it will ask you what is the success page. Basically, it means what people will see right after they subscribe. So remember that we created that page in advance, and this is the reason why, because this is asking me what is the thank you page that you're gonna use. So what we created is a one called thank you freebie, and here's where we choose that. Then we say save and next. Here you can create an email right away. So you can say send a welcome email, and you will say from where it's coming from. You save this and you can create an email here. So welcome, here is your free gift, for instance. And then you add here the link to whatever download here. Then save. So this is the email that people will get right after they subscribe. Now, if you want to, you could create this welcome email on an email sequence. The main advantage of doing it on an email sequence is that you will get analytics like how many people open the email, how many people click the email, and those kind of things. But if you're in a hurry and if you want to do something quicker, this is the easiest way to create an email. Then you can go save and next, and then you can assign tags, you can subscribe to lists. You have to subscribe to lists because when people fill out the form, they will only become part of your Kartra database, but it doesn't mean they are subscribed to a list. So what you need to do is you want to do it here and say, yeah, I want to subscribe people to an email list. So for instance, let's say this is my Webull Funnels main email list. So click add, then save. So what is going to happen is as soon as people register, they will get added to my main email list. You can add a tag if you want to, like people who download your freebie or whatever. You can subscribe people to sequences from here, or you can do advanced automation. So to keep it simple, just subscribe to an email list. Then save and next. Then you set where you want to use your form. We're using it inside Kartra, so we keep it as the default. Then say yes, save and next, and finish. So this form is ready to be used in inside a Kartra page, which I'll show you in the next step. Okay, now that you have your thank you page, your success page, and your form, you need to create the opt-in page per se. So we can do the same. Go here to My Pages, then click on Plus Page. And again, you can start doing your work from a template. So in this case, it will be a squeeze page. Kartra calls them squeeze pages. So we can use that one. Let's see which one you like. Let's see how this one looks. Yeah, I like this one. So I'm going to try this guy. So the select launch builder. Let's call it opt-in page TV, for instance. Once again, I don't need a category. I don't need a site for now. Let's do create. So the advantage of using a template is that you have something already pre-built for you, and then you can just update everything else. So one thing that I would strongly recommend is that you don't use a menu on an opt-in page. So delete this section. You don't want distractions. You want people to either subscribe or not. So I wouldn't use a footer either. So I would just come here. So let me show you how I deleted the section. Just come here to the gear, red gear icon, click it. You will have a menu and then go all the way to the X delete section. So this is better. You only have the opt-in information. So you need to make a promise here, and then here is the actual opt-in form. So it has a pre-configured form. This is just a placeholder. So you need to come here, hover, click the pencil icon. It will ask you which opt-in form you want to use. So you need to go and find the one that we created. So it says freebie opt-in form. Hit apply, and that's it. I'm using GDPR, so that's why you see those options here. And there you go. Just edit the information. If you don't need this, just delete it. And then hit actions, publish live. And there you go. Just click where it says get the page link. And here is your link. You can double click and select it and go and see how it looks live. So this is how it will look when you share your link. So this is the link that you will need to share. And that's it. That's where you will need to send traffic to. So now the final step is to test your funnel. And the reason why I said you need to test it is because you want to see that it's working the way you are expecting it to work. The best way to do it, in my opinion, is to use a incognito window. So you just go here in the three dots in Google Chrome and say new incognito window. And the reason why I like to do incognito window is because it will let you test your lead generating funnel without having any cookies there. So you don't have anything built here. You will have to type all the information in there, and it's going to be like somebody new coming to your page. Then follow the steps, just fill out the forms, and then go and check in Kartra that you got a lead, and that lead was subscribed to the email list, or it got any tags that you configure. Most importantly, check your email, make sure that you got the email as a lead, so that you are sure that the system is working the way that you designed it. Okay. Need ideas to use sales funnels in your online business? Download my guide to help you build a funnel that brings leads and clients day after day. Find the link in the description below. And watch this video about Kartra pricing so you know exactly how much you need to invest. It includes a way to get a 30-day trial for just $1. Link is also in the description below. That is all for now. See you next time. Bye.